Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Closing an investor for a funding is a critical skill founders need to have. Here are some key steps in closing an investor. Investors look for startups that show evidence of success. They avoid startups with red flags and problems. To close, you must show key elements of success already in the business. Predicting success will not work. The first step is to show alignment with the customer. This could be growing traction or high engagement with a few key accounts. The second step is to know your market well, including the customers and the competition. Investors look for signs the target market is large and growing fast. It's important to educate the investor about the market, as most will not know it well. The third step is to show a strong team with a track record. Highlight the key skills of the team that point to success in this startup. Instead of telling the investors the team is great, it's better to show it. This includes past experiences, current wins with the company, and how well the team works together. In addition to these three steps, remove any red flags from the start before fundraising. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start hustling today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.